My name is Zyra. I'm here with my dad, and we are at our old house right here because it was burning before midnight. Because the bed were burning, so because they actually find our stuff under the basement. So because that one is going to be our new garage door, and our door is a little bit burnt out. So because it's going to be burning, it won't, because we had the bathroom here. It burned down. So, and here's our bathtub here, and here's our window here. And because we have here what is this?
A new closet. Mom's closet to put all her shoes.
And then
This is Dad's closet to put his one shirt.
and we have here is the living room.
The living room.
The living room here. And right this way, this is our backyard door. It's gonna be a brand new one. And then wait, where's my room is?
Over there.
Right here. Our my window was a little bit burning, but that's Ethan's room. And here is the bathroom here. That one was in the middle of the hallway. Because it's going to be coming soon, we'll be building soon. Good luck.